Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Amazon SSM Session Manager for passwordless access, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Amazon SSM Session Manager for passwordless access, begin by logging into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the Systems Manager service from the console. In the left-hand menu, click on Instances and Nodes. Select Managed Instances. Verify that you have at least one instance that is. If no instances are listed, install the SSM agent on your EC2 instances. Ensure your instance has the necessary IAM role attached with appropriate permissions. Attach the Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core policy to the IAM role if it is not already attached. Next, navigate to the Session Manager option in the left-hand menu under Systems Manager. Click on Preferences. Ensure that the Enable Session Manager option is checked. Scroll down to the Session Manager Preferences section. Enable the option to allow SSH access through Session Manager if desired. Next, configure the IAM role for users who will access the instances. Create a new IAM policy that grants permissions for using Session Manager. Attach the new policy to the IAM users or groups that need access. Return to the Instances and Nodes section. Select the instance you want to access without a password. Click on the Connect button at the top. In the connection screen, choose Session Manager as your connection method. Click on Connect to start the session. You should now have passwordless access to your instance through SSM Session Manager. Verify that your session is properly established by checking the command prompt. You can now run commands on the instance without needing to enter a password. Ensure your setup is tested for functionality and security compliance. This completes the guide on enabling Amazon SSM Session Manager for passwordless access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.